화려하게 빛나는 도시 뒤에는 발전을 위한 생산 그리고 오염이 있습니다. 인간이 한 해 배출하는 쓰레기의 양 약 21억 2천만 톤. 그로 인해 하루 30종 이상, 많게는 130종 이상의 동식물들이 멸종한다고 합니다. 오늘 우리는 깨끗한 환경 속에서만 서식해서 앞으로 보기 힘들어질 아름다운 빛을 찾아 떠나보려고 합니다. 네, 가끔은 동화 같은 여행을 꿈꿀 때가 있잖아요. 그쵸? 안 돼. 안 돼! 너무 야해!
It's for you. I'm gonna sit with you.
안 돼! 너무 야해! 안 돼! 이미 동화가 된 건가? 가끔은 동화 같은 여행을 꿈꾸잖아요. 그래서 we're gonna go to see the Firefly.
Ooh.
There is a lot of Firefly and we're gonna take also the paddleboat and there is a like kind of the lake which is Lobok.
Okay.
Lobok?
Labok.
Labok. Where are you laughing?
Labok is bad Russian word.
Huh? What does it mean?
Is that?
Labok. 아무튼 버지니아로 갑니다. There is a lake and a lot of the wood. It's kind of a forest, so it's gonna be so interesting. Sometimes we have to run away from the city.
Yes, true.
We have to take some air from wood.
Yes.
Bye. So,
Yes.
bye. Let's go.
Let's go.
Tuk-tuk driver is waiting. Tuk-tuk. Say, I have to take my key. Fucking key.
Okay. What we have to take? You think? Glasses?
I think. We have to change our shoes.
이거?
Because there is a water.
Skip. Couple. Skip.
커플입니다.
Couple.
가자. 툭툭 드라이버.
Okay, start.
깜짝이야. Oh my god. I thought it's a ghost. Thank you. Thank you. 와, 날씨가 근데 너무 좋다, 그렇지? Really good weather, right?
Really nice. I can say it's not that much hot.
툭툭.
Sorry. Not gonna say that I was hot so much.
Wow.
Yay.
Let's go.
Address?
Yeah.
Lobok driver?
Yes. Yeah. But anyway, let's go. Whoa, this is so nice. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. 와, 다 왔습니다. 분위기가 확 달라지네, 그치, 여기는. 와. 2 minutes and then after we're gonna arrive. Спасибо. How can I live without you? You're helping me a lot. 와. 저기 보세요. Whoa. Whoa. Look at the water. Whoa. It's really nice, huh? It's like a fairy tale. Whoa. What is that? Little doggy.
Save the
Little doggy. Look at the puppy. So cute. Wow! Hello, chica. So cute. Давай пойдем? Wow, 1 hour, да?
Yes.
Whoa, go. Thank you for service. Is it here? Right? Huh? Not here? I have to pay. You pay now? After pay? Yeah, is it okay? Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. You gonna stay here?
I'm stay here.
Okay then. Maybe I wanna offer some.
Firefly watching. Firefly watching?
Yeah, I made a reservation in Korea.
The paddle board.
Yeah, paddle boats and then.
And then Firefly.
Yeah,
the Firefly?
Yeah.
Do you have a booking?
Yeah, I already made a
You
reservation.
pay already?
Yeah.
But I think it's not here. If you pay already, it's not here. What's the name of your hotel?
Fox and
Fox and Firefly?
the Philip Fleet.
The Subtour Philippines is there, over there. In the next of the school, kuya. Nasa ilang booking man. Fox and Firefly.
Okay. Thank you
the
for
next one,
information.
next one.
Can I touch it? Look at that here. Okay, not here. Oh my god. Uncle, 위험해. Dangerous. 가자. 안돼, 여기 위험해. 가자. 위험해. It's okay. Don't follow us. 가자. 너무 귀엽다. 이것도 또 에피소드죠?
Sure.
Yes, it's here. Thank you. So see you later. Yeah. Thank you so much. Wow, what is so nice place. Look at that. Wow. Thank you, sir. Okay. Stupid foreigners. We are. Wow, this is so nice, my love. Oh. It's really fairy tale. Oh, look at that. It's kind of the avatar. Hey, oh, wow. Hello, sir. Hello. We made a reservation for paddle boats and then Firefly.
May I see the voucher?
Voucher. Yeah, Kim. It looks like Kim. Emma.
Alright, can you
Yeah.
sign the waiver? Kim Chan Woo.
Hui.
Wait.
By mom. Why?
I thought it's Hoy.
Hoi means is a penis in Russian. my mother doesn't. Chanhui. Yes,
Chanhui.
thank you so much. Because my mother doesn't know about. 안돼. It's a racism.
It's okay.
Yeah, you write your name and a signature here, please.
So meeting time is 5 p.m.
Yeah, 5 p.m.
So you can check upstairs. We
Yeah.
have restaurant. You can buy drinks.
Ah,
coffee.
yeah.
You can also check at the back the sunset.
Oh,
There's a garden
okay.
as well.
But I wanna ask one thing that so is a paddle boat for 1 hour,
2 hours.
2 hours paddle boat, but there is also the Firefly.
At the Firefly trees
Yeah.
located in the middle of the river, so you
Yeah.
need to paddle 1.5 hour to the trees, then
to the-
30 minutes back to the pickup area.
Ah,
No
okay,
need to paddle back, you have a pickup after.
Okay. We're gonna go to
Yeah,
watch
one
the
hour.
Firefly paddle boat.
1 hour
It's
and a
very
half.
easy, no worries.
Yeah?
Yeah.
1 hour we have to do it.
2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah, 2
Shit.
hours. 1 hour and a half for there and 30 minutes to come back.
Okay.
To the pickup area.
Yeah,
the
pick up
pickup
area.
area.
Yeah.
Do you wanna drink something? I wanna offer.
I'm okay.
Yeah, really.
No problem.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. See you later. 사진은 중요하니까요. 여자에게 인스타그램이란. 인스타그램처럼. Hello. Yeah? Oh my god. Do we have to take off?
Leave it there.
Ah, okay.
No, it's okay.
We are very rude
Yeah,
foreigners.
we are.
Wow, they're so beautiful here. Wow. It's very nice. Thank you. Sorry.
Water, sir.
Water. Is it free?
Yes.
Oh, yeah? Wow, so kind. For is good. I'm gonna take a cola.
You was came to take a rest to drink a cola. You drink everyday cola in Korea. Take some fruit.
Fresh orange juice, is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir, mom. And usually 그 여자는 선택하는데 오래 걸립니다.
Little bit wait.
Yeah. Wow, so nice. So nice. And so nice, girl. 와. 그래. Wow, it's nice. Because anyway, we're gonna take a paddle boat. So, yeah, no, alone. Me and you. And,
Nice.
Yeah, nice. You wanna separate it?
I wanted to say that you don't have to do all job alone.
아.
But you have to, just not for me.
그래 가보자고. 와 2시간 동안. 웰세. Where is your owner? Let's go to Korea. Let's go, Korea, let's go.
She's not gonna eat you.
Oh my god. What did you say?
Types of paddle boarding. Our paddle and the paddle board. And front to the back. Okay? You can lay down. So this thing floats. So if you drop it in the water, then it's okay.
Yeah. Really, you said? Dawaj. So there is no crocodile and a snake, nothing.
No crocodile.
Oh.
No anaconda.
No anaconda.
They have a
Oh.
crocodile, but they're vegetarian crocodile.
Oh, vegetarian.
They
Nice.
eat vegetables.
Okay.
I'm potato. I don't wanna.
Whoa, look at this. That's a boat.
Careful, guys.
Wow, that is so calm. The water is so calm, really. Oh, yes, baby. Beautiful one. Oh. No, I didn't know that. Real. Wow, so nice. Oh, look at the color, man. Wow. Wow.
Bander, my colleague. My partner.
Partner, you're gay?
No, colleague. My colleague.
Okay.
Partner, oy.
It was not mistake. He wanted to say no.
Okay.
I will push you a bit.
Oh, yes. See you later. Baka.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
First time.
I feel good. La da 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 da. Wow. It's. You gonna swim?
I want to.
Yeah. 조심. Wow, it's so nice.
One leg stand.
Show me. Wow! Look at the performance! Oh! Now backflip, please. Yeah, backflip, please. 와, 너무 좋다. Everything is okay? You're so late. I know it's okay.
I wanna sit again.
So calm, right? Now you wanna sit? 와, 진짜. 아니 분위기가.
You wanna try to?
So what? I'm Korean. Okay, run away. I have to go. Ooh, Russian attack. Ooh. 빠까. 와, 근데 진짜 좋다. 아, 진짜 뭔가 되게 힐링하는 느낌. 공기도 너무 좋은 것 같고 그냥 느낌상 이제 조금 있으면은 여기서 또 반딧불이를 또 볼 수 있거든요. 이 나무들 있죠, 여기 나무들이 쫙 반딧불이가 있어가지고 장관이라고 하는데 예, 야, 뭐야? 하지 마세요. 맞지마, 땡큐. 뭐야 이거? 뭐야 이거?
It's the same for jump.
예? 유후! 유후!
This is swimming.
Yeah, swing. You. Did you see that?
Louis, sir?
Me? You know Yongin?
No, I don't know.
You don't know? Is
North Korea, North?
Huh?
North?
Oh yeah, my father is Kim Jong-un, you know? So you have to do better.
North is dangerous, no?
Yeah, very dangerous.
North Korea, they got the...
Yeah, I'm from North Korea.
From South Africa.
Yeah, you're from South Africa. But yeah, sorry, but South is there, not here. You said South Africa.
South.
It's a South, it's a North.
North.
Anyway, here is so beautiful. This is my first time in Bohol.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's so beautiful. I was in Manila and Cebu, but I think here is better than Cebu.
Better.
Better.
I'm from Cebu.
Oh, really?
No, I'm from here, but I grew up in Cebu.
Oh, yeah? You like here to live?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Better. Chill. It's very beautiful.
Yeah, it's
peaceful.
really beautiful. Look at everything. Wow, peaceful.
Yeah. You posting that on YouTube?
Yeah, actually. Yeah, I haven't.
Famous.
Yeah, super famous, you don't know?
Guys,
No, it's not.
like and subscribe.
Oh yeah, oh yes, good, good.
like and
One more time, please. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Yay! You playing online games or no?
Yeah, sometimes because I'm not really good to
You play Pornhub.
Pornhub. Yeah, I knew that. Wow, because it's so sexy. Look at that. You're gonna make a lot of money, I guess. My love, everything's okay? So how long does it take to watch the fire? Yeah,
Downstream.
Ah, okay.
More downstream.
Have to,
We're not in the halfway.
Ah, okay. So we have to go like more than 1 kilo?
I think 1.5 or 2.
Ah, okay.
I say pretty.
Pretty
Beautiful.
예뻐요.
Yepoyo.
Thank you. Wow, now it's really, yeah? Whoa, so dark. We have to go like 1 hour, 1 kilometer, and then after we can see the firefly. Yeah, oh. 와, 이 야밤에, 와, 나 근데 이거 타고 갈 줄 몰랐어. 와, 이 위에 다 새가 서 있는 거야, 새가. 여기가 이제 원래 다리가 있었는데 보홀에 이제 태풍이 와가지고 다리가 여기가 무너졌다 그러네요. 근데 여기 와, 에이, that's sexy. 야, 아무것도 안 보여. 너무 어두워서. 예? Did you see that, my love?
Because of the moon, so they...
Ah, moon is so light. 아니 가다가 중간에 갑자기 we found a night market. Maybe let's eat something here. It's a really, oh yeah, it's a really good mood. Whoa, yeah. 아니 약간 비가 와가지고 갑자기 좀 아쉽긴 하지만 그래도 여기서 와우. This is for us? Oh my god, it's a VIP. Oh my god! Damn! It's better, right? Wow, it's nice. VIP room. There's... Oma! Котичка! Привет, котичка!
So beautiful eyes.
You're so beautiful, котичка. 뽀뽀입니다. 레촌 김치. 레촌 김치? 이거 뭐야? 레촌 김치.
I wanted to some chicken for you.
Oh yeah. Why not? Yeah. You wanna drink some? 뭐야? 피나콜라다 하나 주세요. 이거 먹자. Ah, can
Ini ako
we can pick? Two of this and two of this.
Waka wings would be good.
And can we order also like quarter?
These ones are not available.
Ah, no? Ah, okay. Then it's good, right? 여기는 겨울치기 따위가 존재하지 않아요. 제로부터 시작합니다. Yeah, thank you. 아무튼 주문 완료했습니다. 레천은 아쉽게도 없지만 그래도 빨리빨리 밥을 먹고 또 가가지고 자야지. 야, 싸가지 보게. 가세요. 너 얻어먹으려고 그래. 여기서 얻어먹으려고. 먹으면 가봐. 먹어. 맛있게 먹어요.
You too.
Yeah. Good. Right? Barbecue. Wow, cheers. 우리는 호텔에 돌아왔습니다. We came back to hotel. Yes. And she's ready to take a shower.
Here is so cold.
Yeah, it's so cold. It was 16 degrees.
Yeah,
It's
16.
impossible. So how was today?
So tired.
So
but
tired.
So interesting. My face. Oh my god.
It's like you don't need to do the makeup.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
You too.
Yeah, me too. How was the Lobok, Virginia place?
Virginia place was really nice. So tired. I feel that I have a sport.
Like 2 hours.
2 hours.
But it was really good to take a rest.
Yeah.
Healing time anyway.
Yeah, really.
And a little bit sad is that the Firefly.
So little.
So
Yeah.
little, but we can see, but on the camera.
Yeah, I had nothing.
Yeah.
There is nothing.
They're so sad.
Yeah. And also I don't know why snake choose me.
Yeah, she found a snake.
I hate snake. Everyone, here, have that snake. I trust you. Yeah, okay. And I'm like, water, I want to swim. And after no, I don't want to swim anymore. Thank you.
Anyway, today 이렇게 끝이 납니다. 또 우리 많이 있잖아요. We have to do also tomorrow morning at 5:30 we have to wake up. So 많이 있으니까 내일도 한번 가보자고. 그러면은 여기서 갑니다. 다음에 또 보자고.